In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your Bank of America account. If you find yourself locked out of your account, don't worry, you're not alone, and it's typically a straightforward process to get back in. Let's walk through the steps to regain access to your account. First, I want you to open the US Bank app on your mobile device. Make sure you've updated it to the latest version to ensure all features are working smoothly. Once the app is open, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. It's important to remember your login details, so if you have trouble with them, look into resetting your password through the app's prompts. After signing in, you'll want to head to the main menu. You can usually find this option by looking for an icon with three horizontal lines, commonly known as the hamburger menu, located in the upper corner of your screen. From there, navigate to where it says Manage Card. This section is where you have control over various card functions, which includes the lock and unlock features. Once you're in the Manage Card section, the next thing to do is select the specific card you need to manage. If you have multiple cards, take a moment to ensure you choose the right one, as each card has individual settings. With the correct card chosen, look for the option that says Lock or Unlock Card. Tap on this to proceed. Now you should see a toggle option that allows you to lock or unlock your card. If your card is locked, simply flip the toggle to unlock it. This action might require confirmation, so don't be surprised if you see a prompt asking you to verify. It's all part of the security measures to protect your account. Confirm your choice, and your card should be unlocked. In case your card was missing or stolen, it's crucial to contact Bank of America support immediately. They can help you report the lost or stolen card and take necessary steps to secure your account. But if you're simply unlocking your card after some routine security measure, following these steps should do the trick. It's always a good practice to keep your account information secure and be aware of any unusual activities. Regularly monitor your statements and set up account alerts to help ensure your account remains secure. By following these instructions, you should now have full access to your account and can get back to managing your finances. Remember that if you have any more issues or need help beyond the unlocking process, the Bank of America support team is always there to assist. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you unlock your Bank of America account with ease.